What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and today we're going to be looking at this strategy that is going to help you make your first $100 trading. Okay, it's a very simple boom and crash strategy that uses about 3 indicators to give you an alert or a trade or a setup. So today we're going to be looking at that. We're going to go through the setting up process for the strategy. We're going to go through the live testing and looking at the conditions that have to be met, and also going to be doing some back testing, of course, checking out the strategy, checking out its previous entries, and how best you can actually use the strategy. Now, if you're new to this channel, I review different trading strategies each and every single day, and if you don't want to miss an update on a strategy that we are currently using, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell that's right next to the subscribe button, so that I'll personally notify you when I post a video. Okay, it's as simple as that, and it's completely free to get. So today we're targeting 100 likes. Let's get to 100 likes, guys, and move on. So this is how the strategy should look like by the end of this video, and you should have something like this by the end of this video. I strongly advise that you follow the same colors that I'm using for your setups, so that you don't get confused, because I might refer to a color that you don't have on your chart. So please try and follow the same colors that I'm using throughout the entire video, and I think trading will be easier for you that way. So what I'll do right now is I'll remove all the indicators that I have on my screen, and we're going to go and have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy from the first indicator that you have to the up to the last indicator that you need. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'm deleting my indicators. Okay, so as you can see, I am left with a blank chart. Currently we're looking at boom 1000, and with this strategy you can do both spike catching and scalping. So you can actually go against the spikes. As you can see, the trade we are in, and we are against some spikes. Okay, what I want you to take note of is how this entry was so good that there was no retracement. We ended at this point, and from that point all the way down here we did not face any spike except at this point, but we still survived in that trade. So that's one thing, that's one good thing about this strategy. Okay, that's one good thing about this strategy. Let's get into the strategy. The first indicator that you need, I'm going to my indicator section. We're going to add the alligator. Okay, so this alligator is going to have the following properties. We've got a jaws period of 13, a teeth period of 8, a lips period of 8, a jaws shift of 5, a teeth shift of 5 as well, lips shift of 3. The method is most applied to medium price, and you can allow this these indicators to appear on all time frames. Okay, so all time frames on visualization, and then on the styling, please take note that my jaws and my teeth have the same color as my background. So I've got a white background, so your jaws should have white, and also your teeth should have that white color. What you will need to have in this green color are your lips. Okay, so the lips should be green, so make sure you choose green on color. So after we click done, you see that we now have that green line running across our chart, which is exactly what we wanted. The next indicator that we need to add is called the stochastic oscillator. I'm going to go back to my indicators, then click on stochastic oscillator, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen: a percentage K period of 10, a percentage D period of 5, a slowing of 5, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and then we're going to need these 3 levels. You're going to need your buy zone, which is level 20, your sell zone, which is level 80, and your take profit and re-entry zone, which is level 50. Okay, so you can click done, and then on your styling, make sure again your main and your signal have the same color as your background. So my background is white, and these are also white as well. So if I click done, you see that what will only appear on my chart are these levels from the stochastic oscillator, and that is exactly what we wanted. There shouldn't be any other line inside if you do it properly. The next indicator that we need this time is going to have to be under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add the MACD. Now this MACD is going to have the following properties. We've got a fast EMA of 12, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 1, apply to close, and on the styling, your main should have the white color or the same color as your background, and your signal should have this black color so that it's visible. So if you click done, you should only have this black dotted line running across your chart until your indicator window 1. Okay, now we need to install our final indicator, and that indicator is going to be the Awesome Oscillator. So this time we're going to click where it says main window, and then we're going to look for the Awesome Oscillator, which is down here. It does have default settings. Your value up is green and your value down is red. Okay, so if I click done, you see that we now have our Awesome Oscillator down below. Okay, now we've successfully installed the strategy. What's left is understanding and knowing the conditions, knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. Okay, but before we get into all that, please make sure you have liked this video, guys. We said we should get to 100 likes if you enjoy these videos, if you want to see me posting more and more the strategies for free right here. Okay, and if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join it for free. The link will be in the description box below, where in that Telegram channel you can see my trading results, my students trading results from our VIP signals group, where I post signals daily of trades that I'm actually entering with take profit and stop loss and your analysis, and you will be able to actually learn as well how I trade. You can also see results from our account management program, where we trade on your behalf and share some profit. So if you want to get to familiarize yourself in trading, I'm sure you should join that community. There are over 7,000 traders in our group, and I'm sure it's going to help you grow in your trading journey. The link will be in the description box below. Just click join and you join for free, guys. It's completely free to join. You're not going to be charged anything, and you'll be getting to see everything that we posted even before you enter the group. So I think this is a big win for you if you're interested in trading. Okay, you also be able to find my number in the Telegram channel. So if you want to talk to me directly, my number will be in that Telegram channel as well. Let's get back to business. How can you use this strategy to make some profits? Okay, I'll start off by explaining the sell setup that you see that we entered right there on Boom 1000. And I'm going to show you guys the whole process of how we actually managed to get that trade. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to be using our 15-minute time frame. Okay, we're going to be in our 15-minute time frame, and we're going to trade from there. We're going to try and catch the trend from the 15-minute time frame. So of course, the first condition that has to be met is this one. If you want to enter into a sell trade, number one, your black dotted line should be in your sell zone. Okay, and once you see that, you're going to wait for a confirmation from your stochastic oscillator, where you see a peak changing color from the green color to the red color. Remember, we set our red color to be value down. So basically, our stochastic oscillator, when it turns to red, we know that the value of a particular index is going down. Okay, and the final confirmation that you need is you need a cross or a break of market structure, whereby you see your candlestick crossing that green line. Okay, so if they cross and go below the green line, that sell condition has been confirmed, because basically they're trying to tell you that the market is selling. Okay, we are going down. Okay, so that green line is sort of like going to act as your trend line, although it is not a trend line, but it mimics a trend line. Okay, so now you have three confirmations that have to be met for you to get into a nice trade. And as you can see, the market pushed all the way down. Of course, you have your take profit levels on your stochastic, or you can use price action. Remember, I also teach price action in my one-on-one mentorship program, where I teach you how to mix price action, technical analysis, and these indicators for you to get the most perfect entry. As you can see also here, we actually ended at a nice resistance zone, which was confirmed by our price action and some technical analysis, of course, on trend lines. So you see the benefit of having a lot of information is you can actually reduce your risk. You actually enter high probability trades that have been confirmed by a lot of strategies. Okay, the same thing happens if you want to enter into a buy trade. Like I said, this is a 2-in-1 strategy. You can do both buying and selling. Okay, and of course, your buying should start off by having your stochastic oscillator, your black line, your black dotted line down there reaching your buy zone, and from there you're obviously looking for a change in color under your stochastic. This time you want it to change from the red to the green, and the green represents value up, which means the stochastic oscillator, that oscillator is telling you that our value is increasing in this index, and that's a really good sign because we're already been told under our stochastic that we are in a buy zone. Okay, of course the entry will then come from your charts. Always try to make sure that your entry comes from your charts, because that's where the action is happening. Okay, that's the real market for you. So when you see price then crossing to be above this green line, that's a positive impact. We say that's a buy, that's a bullish trend that is being depicted. And as you can see, the market actually pushed also all the way up with our 3 confirmations, just like that. Okay, so I want you guys to practice this strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading is very risky, and if you do not understand, you will lose money. Okay, so tell me guys what you think on this strategy. Comment down below if you are interested in joining a 100-day trading challenge, whereby we are looking at the market each and every single day. Like the video if you want to be part of it, and don't forget to share and trade. Until next time.